Sababu nyina wache bakwaba emfa emra bedwam dwumade so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280. Go TV channel 119. Multi TV Big Boss say live on so Adom. Yes, stream on all our social media platforms. There are seswaje bre na among all the TV stations what you saw on Adom TV bedwam and ebenanti. Just gone by ya hosepe with Sister Sunday B, yeah guys. So on behalf of the bedwam team once again let's say happy birthday to the dancehall king Shatta Wale. And when you're 22 years. I was 24. Okay, so that can be 2 years. So happy 24th birthday to you, Shatta Wale, the dancehall king of our time. Wish you all the best. Ochna and birthday bash, no? Basso. Okay. Me did the question is your brother saying, but if we better say actually and come I never call one man of everybody do come. Yeah, I mean, say from last week, and once I say discussion about Agenda 111. Agenda 111. Now, and we also take a look at our health sector. Because anonymous say, on a cabinamenta candle, Edin Komo on Ekosi saying, send me your kind. We have a playback of that in Semno. Fortunately for us, here was a former Minister of Health, a former Member of Parliament for Lejokuku constituency, a medical doctor by profession, Dr. Bernard Okoe-Boye. Oh, in China no pain. See, go meet me boy. I'm a some of the questions ni be that man for ano. What me ya no Eddie I mean as to how the time on managing Ghana health sector at the FA. The progress of work on Agenda 111. But because a Kingdom Herbal Center in the Western so be here drew et me amana boas na be ya numbness bit me fro so a Kingdom for no pay be and I make for Eddie Amawo. O mam gonna be a ton to be a concern be atona. Adia na FA akono Kingdom we se. Se wo Kingdom garlic bitters na. Mr. Mesiwa o si bibi FN Anansi acho no. Wedra eni memfa nya agudie. Entretra won masabio stroke bia machicho. Num Kingdom depend be nesane sane untinim se de be ya moja betimi de afrisane eye ewo untinim ye pa. So the New Kingdom Jesse Power Capsules so abedwa so bema why mre ewo mpamjo ho ba bia nya New Kingdom Jesse Power Capsules na make for e de ma pebito na emwa 84 FM 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or say no challenger. Dr. Bernard Okoe-Boye at Dr. Bokode.
Me brother and sia. Na me Adom biaboko. Na fa che me say mashe glasses na ya light no. Eti ma me tipa nkakra. Nti mo me hwe na etumi mi na mashe kakra. Yes.
Lejo kuku boko.
Oh, nyame Adom.
Okay.
First of all, I'm in chia oti for nyina, any wa hwefo nyina. Na on say we are see undi agro fa ko unkwa nyina.
Sure.
Nyame Adom ma call elections. Me can't even general elections.
Yeah.
Bako miensa.
Okay.
E wo lejo kuku. Ma call primaries. Bako miensa. First primaries, nyame Adom me call competitive election. E ma me wini ansa na me call me election.
Yeah.
The next time, you know, party no mami call as unopposed. And at the third time, you know, you call election. Me ka we no say near Marcoso. Me wojide say Adom pepper so at the Amasiano. Me say the akosum wo party no at another level.
Yeah.
Till this time the Lejokuku de nyame Adom ma wie ehọ adwuma. Say me call for nyame Adom me consult still on regional chairmanship.
Oh, okay.
Greater
it is if consultation no na be positive there.
Yes.
Every people we say Dr. Bernard Okoe-Boye.
Yes.
A be vie for the Greater Accra Regional Chairmanship position.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Na the Asiano ye the aboa ye nuanu ma omo gina wo Greater Accra no.
Okay.
Na ya ho di na aba from pa no.
Yeah.
Nyame Adom ya aboa ma abasuru kakra.
Etidie na I inform our decision we.
Oh, say because now I was a candidate no.
Okay.
Minya experience with Niama Yesi wo region no.
Okay.
And I mean who say enye form ho enye constituency pe na obetimi asom. In fact, oko regional level so a otimi som e ma wo share your experiences with the rest of the parliamentary candidates. Now, I did back when I was on say ebi I want to call for across the whole Ghana Greater Accra.
Okay.
Accra true call from pe one shana busani nyina call from.
Yeah.
Accra so nyame adom timi man ho so pe. Ebeti ma boa ma ebusani nyina ama no so. Me can busu am refer to the political party.
Yeah.
Enti me ogide say ehona na esom no edru.
Okay. Yeah. Dr. Okoe-Boye, who free power and who free office as Minister of Health. What was the status of Agenda 111?
Okay, first of all, no, my main say health sector no very big. Now, obi create impression. He say, yeah, buy no. Na bibia eda hodi assembly and new health sector. Sebi enye no query. Na challenges bebre ho. Now so you see, I can phone amuka say, yedi mawa na yedi siawa.
Yedi jawa ne de aswa.
Exactly. Nti ube tu ejuma na ebia emuye de no odi wa ho de no wonyansa ni mpabotu mu na ayeyi. Enti eba your in health sector no your access three main kinds of access are when you work on it as a government ebuama apomudin ekosoro and economy.
Sure.
Your different financial access and now clear financial barriers. Now we create access. And na health insurance buama eye. Obi wa hospital kama ebe no. Nanso oni ska odbe den. Odbeko. Enti eno no obuana Nisaka health insurance na okwa say what create financial access.
Okay.
The second access is physical access. Physical access say that hospital na obey den obekomu. Obi work it insurance card. But the area no hospital near and and to buana we see hospital fit for purpose but what create the FN physical access.
Okay.
And at the third access I know so ye adwuma also ebua human resource access. Obi wa hospital be no into our physical access. Okay, insurance card or financial access. Now so call hospital no more. Na so na ya na so ENT specialist in here.
Okay.
And the human resource access say help you to train more people and to improve on our nurses obia human resource access. You try say be working on all these three. But what beside Agenda 111 no say physical access. Sure. COVID ema ehun say enye de bia na obetima free important akọ another place say okoje ayasabia. Enti COVID ehun so NMA MPP cabinet led by President Akufo-Addo say it was a district bia omunya functional primary hospital basic things are ohwehwe nyina wa pomode wuti unsatime den eka. Enti quickly no your assessment of the whole Ghana and ehun say there were about 100 and in fact there were about 88 districts were Ghana no more need proper fit for purpose district hospital. District hospital crowd obi 3-bedroom house and I had the chassis and I had the ward back could be pian in chain and I feel the FM district hospital. Long and short, and say, I buy a bold say, or cover up close to that gap by building over 111 health facilities. Okay. Now, I buy shares, one kojilo, and a show for Mpensenpensenmu time say, Agenda 111 be a own Ghana no, ye futua ye jiwa ye ho, Brofobeka say,
Government of Ghana.
Yes.
Funded project.
Yes.
Okay.
Petroleum receipts. Edima Ghana. Taxes ayeji. Ena President Akufo-Addo can say, enye de bia no broni na bema eska ama ye de asidan ama ya koboka. Yesu ye de ahon de be den ebeye.
Okay.
So MPP free aban mu no. Now out of 111 no, now 100 sites and active. Active just say na ejuma be ye den ekoso.
Okay. 100 sites.
100 sites. And
out of the 111.
Yes.
It's not 11 there. And won't touch it.
In fact, 11. I didn't move from 11 to 14. No, yedi Karaga. Ebe Kaun. First no munim. Yedi Manshia. And I think in Kraza, some 3 places. Okay. And Tebe Agenda 114 actually. Oh, okay. So now 100 are active. 14 are active.
Okay.
Out of the 100, no, is there 30 now across it 70%.
30 of the 100.
Yes. Now, me will list no obi a o hwe me no sa 30 no me bokro ni di a che say na ukan na the enti am I very interested in the 30 ni say anka yan sisa aban e na MPP na ti so ansia anka 30 communities na me kan we nyina ban na anka ya wi omo Agenda 111 enye transition say bi obi bia nyame na ti me nka say nyame ye mfunso but point am ye ni say to me na wondi ni na edi Agenda 111 anka insisaya ba anka by now ye kasai all these 30 places are general mebono na anka ye wie
na o say 30 across 70%.
As at the time I hand over in transition meetings.
So across 70% in infrastructure wise, and I say making it a full hospital.
In fact, across 70% in terms of all the civil works, in terms of all the building, machines in there within a week or two, it will be the shame. In fact, your commission 3 are the machine shame.
Okay.
And the percentage works now is the structure itself.
Okay.
Now, me send you a few of the videos.
Yeah, the videos
Unwe bimwa mobile. Oko a France ewo Gomwa Central. Omo de no 82.2%.
As of the time and I'm free power.
Yes, 82. Oko Barikesia ewo Echuma Wabiaja enu 74.9%. That's 75%. Achim Straight Road, Brim South 75.6%. Ewutu Breku Central Region 72.9. Obi a tell me from this place, what you catch with the air course. Himai ewo for Himai Lower Dentra. Now crosses 76.6. Manso ewo Asene Manso Akroso District 71%. In Poho Western Region 75%. Okay. In Saba Agona East Central Region 71%. In Shaim Chichirure Asin South 77. Ofuansi ewo Eastern Region 71. Abomosu Eastern Region 91. Enti uko Atimpoku Ajanawa 1 Eswa Jaman Deputy Finance Minister.
Okay.
Honorable Ampim. Ni ami senior wa tech. Yeah. Ni krom ebisi ho akan rem. Eswa Jaman. Sege
ewo beta na edu ne percentage be say.
Deputy Finance Minister ni de no.
Yeah.
72.5%.
Move free power.
Yes.
Okay.
So to almost 71. Pram ningo pram. Mi aminya Bema Sam George.
Okay.
74%. Okay. Now Sam George there only there almost done. KJB Otifo there Makuma ewo omo because omo ye new regional omo here help. Oti 73% ewo KJB akan rem. Pasa eno so woti eno so 72% akan rem. Garu there 88. There's a do finish line na.
Okay.
Yeah, free power. Paga 73. San ewo Mion district 79%, almost 80% down. Yagaba 76. Avedakpa voter region anopa mi chiawon 80%. Ewo afe dakpa ewo Akachi North district. Beve South Dai voter region 73%. Tamale 70%. Adansi Asokwa 72%. Buaman Efijakwa Abre North District 78%. Mankranso now me say we are mebon de yewie ye the machines bi bia shemu
sa at 3 years last 3
machine bi bia akonua doctor de be ye juma obie nsu a eba bibia ye the coat afemu bibia set answer na aban we eba enu bokro.
Okay.
Ewa Hunter Western Region.
Okay.
Omo tie me from Bokro o metima frɛ commission ena ye kasa yi obi anfa ne sankan ya jani sa ene ho. Trade ewo etuma komoma Ashanti Region ya commission ene ne ochena se aban no pese on use a eno anse wa kache Ghana Health Service Director General se per doctor bi an ni yedi penesis kakra. Normally, you operationalize your hospital starting from OPD.
Okay.
Na hono, o share obi malaria kakra.
Yeah.
Na lab no why malaria test. Na one say machines in ejuma. Eko enim kakra bi after 1 month. Na after the one jinipa to ho.
Okay.
Sata na one nsuo a yetimi di sinu so.
Yeah.
Na o hwe say ward no so kosen ye wo de edi ma mu tea. Nsuo no o free ward na after the why operation bi kakra. E bi a hernia bi. Now they are testing machines na within 6 months we na hospital no afa.
Okay.
Abi. Entina Adibako a me srenyame a enu nti a master tea advocacy we say Ghana ban edisika no so $347 million. Enu na MPP aban President Akufo-Addo aban editua contractors after as at the time I free power $347 million
for all the 100 projects.
Yes. Now who convert here interbank rate before I hand you over now about 40 BOG. multiply 4.8 billion Ghana cedis. Say and share here, skawin na ebeko form. Na unse Ghana ankasa na oman no eya misuma oman no esa bompa ya oman. Sometimes yema politics no ma nyama kase free ensem. Na nzia hospitals yi nyame adom na yeye wedwuma enye MPP ni NDC na ekom.
Yeah.
Onua bi a owo krasi paga eho wa se bi oni hospital bia ono so sorry na okoho na no wuto na obehu se oman no mfaso wo so na me no politics am ye no public ejuma me ye no number one concern am won say obi a ohwe mi sebi ene no chi no ochina nyame mboa na onya ahokika kaka.
Okay, so Dr. Wamiati say na a government of Ghana funded projects. Let's get it free here.
Sikano the chunk of it we see chunka.
Okay. Dudu
nankasa no. Na sika called Ghana Infrastructure Fund.
Okay.
One of the funds are
okay.
Aban account aban intermediate infrastructure.
Okay. Ona na dudu na free.
Exactly. Okay. But Yanka said SAS can enyo brony loan.
Okay.
And me a press conference on three main things. Me ka ajana one I know yesika na edi ye.
Okay.
And me ka hospitals kesebe ti say fia kwanta de na enu loan and edi.
Okay. Ni ka wa sama ajana one ye Ghana government no ankasa esika.
Okay. Obi ka say na sika ni ho a.
Yeah.
Se onia brise o pese umbua umanfo a. Se na MPP aban use ya esika no so be den obi use.
Ebrebe no san ka ewie agenda 111.
Nana on say all the 100 sites no.
Yeah.
Na contractor bia ho ndi nye the same.
Sure.
Enti usha mimi nye unreasonable enka say ene ne ochina yi aban empesika na nyina onwie ne no ochina. Enti maka say the akone pa na in fact all those that are across 70%,
yeah.
you need 3 to 6 months of work na we.
Okay. But we say before Mumbeko no na mo plan ne say ebrebe na mo start agenda 111 mo be wie. In
fact now 12 months from the time I hand you over power, now at least 80% of agenda 1 all would have been finished.
12 months before we hand over power.
No, 12 months after 2024.
12 months after 2024.
So if we had stayed in office,
okay,
by the end of this year, 80% of all, not even this 30, all of them would have been done. So in fact, the point is that this 30, and can people know to me and when is
a Ghana infrastructure funding.
Yes.
On average, send an ebemi the agenda 111 hojima.
Wahumbrasiamo. Material, the metimi account on authority.
Okay.
The $347 million.
Yes, spend across.
Yes, and in IPCs, ejuma contractors in here. Contractors, omo local.
Okay.
Few na omo foreign people, but they are registered here.
Yeah.
So now when you sika call into the Ghana local economy. In fact, there were over 12,000 construction workers working at the 100 sites. And I because omo nyina atene fie.
Okay.
Enti sikano material nududuo and a material say where there's a will we got it from Ghana here, from our GOG.
Would you say na sustainable say aban betimi nya sika de aye aran ne sa?
Nana say aban etimi raise $347 million from within. This 30 are making. You don't need more than $50 million. If aban way a dedicated how do you call it? Even 200 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Is here? Yeah, can say 200 million Ghana cedis. Obetimi I weigh 15 to 20 of these facilities.
Okay.
On say we are see Ushe or how be that we no can say or how we send a sui me tiada.
So on 24th of February 2025, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Mensah revelation. Also $1.7 billion needed to complete unfinished agenda 111.
But you see, Okanisa, now it said, oh, I didn't sue anti Mikoda. Point at me and he say 1.7 billion.
Yeah.
Instead of 1.7 billion, only even $50 million. Ebeko. Inti we are see, you see, the Jawa, and I the Shawa, Senamukano. Start from somewhere.
You see, maybe a man, say, if Semu used $300 million for the whole 100 site to be active, near $1.7 billion to complete the year, then it means, as one should maybe
oh, now $347 million.
Yes.
IMF recent. Yeah, brother, 240 Eko Abroche, Eddie Abrofoko Tinasi. Sika, the man in around 300 and something million.
$385 million.
Yes. And not sure say Sikana, yes, penny, and yes, Sky in that form. But you see, Adia Esono, Obisha Sikakra.
Okay.
And although you say the amount you need was big, Kaka within 2-year period of a general one, we were able to raise $347 million.
Okay.
If every year of John Mahama, would the say His Excellency John Mahama, in 4 years now, or no to me raise even $347 million, at least 40 to 50 of a general one will go.
Now, by air consider a PPP arrangement.
Say, I was saying, careful, Kakra.
Okay.
Based on the type of PPP, me, Dr. Okoe-Boye, I can say that, okay, maybe there is a reason. Some of the places now I start at general one. And places are Sebi, economic activity now almost like same ever form.
Okay.
Sebi, Oti, Ebia, Obi Owa, Sebi, 1,000 Ghana cedis da.
Yeah.
Odi koye PPP, private person, you see private public partnership. Chese odi nisika be shem, ama ochinano, wasa yesho se nisika no beti me Abenya.
Okay.
Na nsia Sebi odi hospital ko sika jebi. Obi Owa ntos na oton. The whole year, scale ban is 500 Ghana. Now hospital are all private person or didn't seek out to no do OPD na can say okay insurance. Now so way for 200 Ghana cedi ba one share 200 nti na wasan de chi Okoye bibiduro o chana wato. Enti aban misre anka president Akufo-Addo mpese obeye dwumadin $347 million.
Yeah.
Anka on fan shem unim do obey private businessmen. Say agena one share site out ope na on fa osika eden. Enti point am here ni say offer a few of the hospitals. Now we can say okay hospital kano me the renal center. We say Ghana e be a kidney or form. A specialist. All the general one 80% of your money kidney. Enti wo ko ho dia boaba hu kakra. Sebi the obi be call India no. Say ye wo ho a metiase.
Okay.
Enti say government converted some of the facilities to specialist facilities.
Okay.
And no private person ba mean Kasabebri.
What was this challenge between Wone, the Ashanti Regional Minister, on Asante-Mantema Agenda 111 project?
Oh, me who say I report on social media. Me name say Okasa, but it was reported. Me can say or see or my way Agenda 111 means some Ashanti region.
Yeah.
Me tea no makuma tu kakra because me records say aban we buy no on farm 1 Ghana cedi and share Agenda 111. Yes, and
on record.
On record. Oh, what me abisa 1 cedi has not been paid 1 Ghana to any of the contractors here at General 1. And number 2, aban we buy no de ye kra no omon fa nurse ba kun ko mu so omko try so member Ghana for anya mfa so. Enti me tie be na me say ora we say sa no kan ya e be ma wrong signal call Ghana for be free say oh aban we asomu anka ya asem de ba ni enti me go check e say na e hospitals bia MPP aban see e time ye wo anya Agenda 1.
Okay.
Ba ku was swami. If I know we 12, I'm going to Vamed hospitals. Vamed is a Austrian contractor. Now, we will list 12 hospitals. In fact, 12 hospitals. Omuo, Jumapo, Kwabing, Nkwetia, Edukrom, Achiasi, Suame, Drobonsu, Sabronum, Chidie, Masun Kwanta, Mim, and Akpon Katamanso.
Okay.
And the same design.
In a Vamed a
yes,
project
40. Katamanso there Akando, me brother Akando, ko biano early this year. Ni nyina 12. Aban we it was one package by the Austrian government my some support.
Okay.
Enti enu bi na enu kra anu sebi. Na nka we were in the process of operationalizing. Ena Fofian to ata na ye free ho. Enti enu no mo akọ operationalize commendable adepa. But uko body say Agenda 111 who sad
okay.
Who create impression say modi mo ahon di ko Agenda 111 enye sa. Enti hospitals 3 now regional minister can say sana media no sa no report
okay.
Na enye Agenda 111 na eye hospital ya sabia fufu a Akufo-Addo aban esi.
Okay. So last week Omayene Kwabena Sante and the Minister of Health Kwabena Minta-Akando twenkomo bi ewe kusi seso so as video na ready ma me Dr. Okoe-Boye ne ahwefo nyina yentie na sa response bi won mu a on fama the Honorable Minister of Health Kwabena Minta-Akando.
na obetu akiri sei
asemi no be say asi e di jawa
ne dia so
awo
akiri nye
ne man bebre over to put it bluntly menye and the ebedi mun komo one of the areas are na enye and I was say kind of crutcher ho na Ghana for etinye manase the basa who see ano a obi anyine ba bia enka se wo na create problem no it's not about complaining, it's not about lamentation. Sankanye sansemu ye ba any demonstration in sansemu ya sanka menka ho asem da mewa but abai bia wutie man kan kire wo a obeka se dabra
uno waye
so you must tell the people where we have come from. So to start with, there were more than 74,000 health professionals that training on them are omufie summary. In 2024, na banya wetwemu oye nhyehyeye se obefa a nurse for any midwife for. Into moshase no. Omofa 13,000 around 13,500. Na aban bia utu sa na mo na. Enye se wo fa nipa na keke. Oso pesika wo fa nipa ni wi a odi betua ne ka. Nti na wo so mo pe bibia friend financial clearance. Financial clearance che nyina ne say si e ka say ye be fa kwabena ye be fa wadwuma in let's say June, from June to December we clearance on e be 31st December 2024 as che ne say before say clearance ne ewu no I will say e do to payroll so
okay
ndi say ewu a ye do to so enye yi
okay enti eboaso ha enti ene yenya financial clearance say me Dominic Obi we ye de mo kwa kopim December ewi ye by December ewi ye no as ye left him ko ye payroll no so na ewu wie dia na me ye be kan wasema enye papa enye adwuma enye valid je ma ofoforo okay but what you say okay
in financial clearance when ewu ye no ye baba mu January 2025 Samuel no so no ya recruit a nurse for nyina midwife for nyina awie bi ma sha o madwuma se nti as at that time no na nipa ba kokoro ni wa na to pay ro bia so but what ya kwase mo ye adwuma wo
because of a bra mobile no all those engagements had been done already ye ntwaso
na ye ba ye no ye beto sa situation no there were two options.
Okay. Eti enkomotwe a oma hene Kwabena Sante ene the Minister of Health. Ona Kwabena Minta Akando etwetwe ye ewe kwesi se so na ya bobi amamo etie. Doctor. So nipa obedi wa de se ni odija na nye.
Oh, Honorable Akando me senior brother. Enti the mechanic say na me kan no ye de jawa. E wo say and was a Kasan doors. It was a wedjuma no na onfa wa attention the enkoso. MPP bar power. Na problems with the health sector.
Okay.
But sebi yamfa yankokrum enye didi bebre. In fact, me check your records no between 2017 and 2024. The number of people are Akufo-Addo are buying fire about 180,000.
Health sector.
Yes, in the health sector.
Between 2017
yes.
to 2024.
Yes, in fact,
Akufo-Addo employ 180,000
health workers.
Yes.
I have all the breakdown. I'll send it to you. Enti enye kasa bebre. Na oni say na ekono. Ena ye kasa necessary abaya form. Ebi a last batch abaya form ye ebi a 2021. It say next time abaya be fa public nurses no. Ebe 2022.
Sure.
Ube fa de oye ni say we check with nurses and midwifery council. Say sa 2022 badge no. Omo na ma ya he. That year the whole can train. So I'm catch some training 20,000 nurses. Untimi ma financial clearance for 10,000.
Okay.
Because untimi farmer enja akosua.
Yeah.
enti aban seek clearance you seek clearance for the whole batch.
Okay.
Enti say 15,000 na your brother account or cano. That was the financial clearance for the year na ye babeji no.
Okay.
Enti process no so enye dakru na ye wie anabosu na ye wie. It's a process. Obe try to Ghana service. No try to regional directors. Say mo starting register nurses no. Omo de omo card be call ya verify omo pin. A take it process and so omo do controller. Enti answer na NDC ba no na ya onboard some of them.
The 15,000.
Yes.
Send them on board.
Oh, I think about 6,000 or so.
One board is 6,000.
Yes.
Your multi salary.
Yes. Oh, I can't know about 7,000 were taking salary out of the 15.
Yeah.
And at the Akano, and then I'm going agitation. Okay. So I think when this government came, I didn't call it so some freeze be sort of say like they are auditing things.
Okay.
Into my process, no.
Slow down.
Yes.
Okay.
Omo slow down process anka dede we are eating na enye den ensi ena sebio every year no your mark clearance are clear one particular batch
so be na clearance am na I expire
oh sa kasa no wa umbrase mu technical kasa unse your mark clearance for 15,000
yeah
na on body omo odi omo hye so na December twemu a ye ka say budget aban budget no ready
yeah
o ka che o say I expire the next year no dey all kind be expire o ka say so that on fa be nchichi no kon but some of them are item 1 just say like compensation no normally no you move it to the next budget and this year say ye ma 15,000 na just 6-7,000 finance minister no him say automatically no omo na omo wo last year 15,000 they are still being onboarded into the following year
okay
and I think education minister yeah senior brother how na Idrisu e kan bibi nkofo adwin ko ho o see a free cabinet meeting e ma ye catch on about 240 say on your environment
okay
the word environment in the public service just say e sika e da order da anka wo ko ye bibi fufro o moving no e dey betu workers
okay
then e kire wo say if they had prioritized compensation they would have had the money to pay them
kasa de ni nyina
anka emba enti the kan obi transition process no obi ni ye na ama I don't even blame Akando Sebi.
Okay.
BBI finance ministry. Enti finance ministry no enye jana so ye nanka anka teachers ni listen na anka wan anka yanji won. In fact, ajana wan kra me kai me senior brother Akando. Largely no on need to me biasa.
Okay.
It's largely decided by Atufo-Addo and to some extent cabinet. Me see cabinet president Omani Adom.
Yeah.
Enti say ye nyina ya mboa honorable Akando and my advice to anyone who goes to health ministry me can be say nipa I was saying wow na kuma no on touching mouth the finance minister
okay
enti nsia agena 101 ena health workers in yamano say na me kan Akufo-Addo G if you add the 6-7,000 that were employed before they came
okay
a total of about 180,000 some of them are AGN no mu training ewie under NDC by na ebe GM and I didn't say, oh, G obi ejuma. Untimi njai obi awa year 2021 OTF. And koji 2023.
Yeah.
Enti and they say omo power na nyama sisa. Omo wie under them. Yes, you are very.
And I'm ko bu la General Hospital gu ya bra na muniska.
Oh, instead say la General no. Me ejuma o ansa na me call parliament. Na a hospital sometimes me share patients cry concrete me freeze through ebe bofom. Oh, that
was the state of La General Hospital.
But Obi Awaye Juma La General Bekacho. It was a death trap. In fact, me can one of the me the Mrs. Sam Baumia Samira Eko Sra La General. Yeko appeal for her. And I share management. Almost your number one biggest problem said that way Ebeku. So I was the one who sent a message to Ajima Menu, our minister.
Okay.
Now, yeah, structural audit and an audit just I said Danny Eden Yembubu. And Akufo-Addo before Obubu no or the Chinese partners etnasi for a bilateral arrangement loan. Okay. Bansia ya sebi fofi antoata. Time na ye discuss na COVID effects no ba ya financial institutions udo mu kasa mu so twen kakra ye miska enti ye hu say ye bubu ade new year ni sky be start no na ska no mba.
Okay.
Enti Akufo-Addo cabinet MPP administration decided say ye be build la general form ya yesika.
To mutimi no mo seal the agreement and sana COVID neighbor.
Oh, I think even the agreement was largely sealed, but they just said that they are pulling out.
Okay.
Now, Obiso Obemauska, or the was secretary, no, I didn't quite catch say, I did where I was saying, what do we need to be so?
So through all the 4 years, Omo to me and get back to you say, okay, I think for now that's an easy kakra.
Before MPP free to power, the entire offer la general. Ube say nanka ejuma na man say.
Okay.
Your certificate me worth about 150 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
And from Ghana, your foot to ayeji. The ehamini say honorable to forcing. Edi 60 million they share 2025 budget so the be la general.
Okay.
In siya kasa 1 Ghana cedi omo contractor. 1 cedi. Say no area me
budget now your budget is 60 million Ghana cedis for La General Hospital.
Omo 60 Ghana cedis. 60 crowd of amom. Say no me a press conference Ghana amalgam you for year per development. And no na me here na ya free contractor na man fine. But here kasa for the past 8 to 10 months no contractors workers in na obi a ofie. Workers in Subebre no Coastal Boys. Krowo Enungwa Osu Teshila obi a ofie. No work. Honorable to forcing to 60 million or crat also. Me to say me brother account of say 130 million be allocation.
Yeah.
The our crat also is 60. And no 1 seed in coin. So 130 new China any in Pibo pen and debate. But on paper, nothing has gone to the contractor.
How will you mark NPP government when it comes to our health sector?
NPP government.
Yeah.
Oh, Sebi, abaya onya kukudro. Kumewu hospital. And this in start here. You buy any be Daist, yeah, I operationalize here. University of Ghana Medical Center, number of parliament, and I Akufo-Addo a bank for a loan to finish phase 2. Although end this in the AC
phase 1.
Yes. Point at me and say, yeah, buy no, dear, you be giant, young 2.
Yes, the hospital be no mutimi see ya movie and sana free power. 8 years.
Oh, now only as I casano, a casa yedi sheni pamufi.
Okay.
Bon Catamanso Hospital now, I can't go be no.
Yeah.
And you end this in the sea. Suame now. Regional minister say, wako operationalize no. Enyo no musi ye. De wa chiase no enyo mu, Drobonsu enyo mu, Jumapo enyo mu, Elubu enyo mu, Akontombra enyo mu. Hospitals are yesi ye no me kaya meko over 30. Now so politics inti nipa to make say Akufo-Addo cheap compound crowd we see the facts don't agree. Obi tie me from Jumapo a Francia, Elubu, Francia, Insuaem. E ho de me call and what from Kapa?
Okay.
Israel, Misrael.
Yeah.
Francia, Suame, Fremi Bra, Drobonsu, Freno, Achiase, Freno. When you na yasi hospitals. Bon Catamanso, Minganya Fenye, Okoe-Boye new hospital. I bind this here. 80, me cancer na 100% and I above for, but the nipa bet to me no ye.
Anything amount time by Omiachinana.
Oh, me no, because me call original chairman. Suba mi pese mi dey di ni say. Enye kama say me yi me ni say me wo obi echi.
Oh, okay.
Because yes appear ye wie promise na wo person mbo ebusuana no a adwuma na ye din. Enti de mi kan ni say wo any flagbearer echi a ma wo kasa no enye kama na wo china ye adwuma na anye din ama.
As party tete o.
O say
as a MPP tete.
Oh, ebusuana bia otimi nya difficult phase. We nye mra easy. Banyame Adom ye bedru mra na ma beba form. Unse
international sign.
Unse one of the traditions are omunhihye wa ahimfo asem eye kama pa ye Ashantis.
Yeah.
Now so e crap say ase ebeto say akonwa no abeto a.
Yeah.
Utimi hu gidigidi kakra.
Okay, so because nyame adwa 21st October, ye nyina ye nhia e wo Bogoso runabout. Enterprise Life Boafo Park Medical Outreach eba honom. So ne be nyina ne se ye be ye a lot of screening ye free area mama for to check your blood pressure, hepatitis B, breast screening, health advice and counseling. Ye de ma kwa. Maybe about the rate at which as any pedi the mu enye ntiama ya would be edo so any pedwem no. So when you obi obetimi atunu wasu say and 2 4 apomden kwan so a wona ho saa na tem. Eno aso be kai asem dika so me kire wo silent killers yare awodo e wo ye memo blood pressure, diabetes ya emon kai na so akum nipa edeko me chokolebufo from 2021 ebesi 2024 the number of nkrofo a reported to this hospital we saw how we nyina is what to say amafo 8 na mo say me fa nya agodie it is 21st October ano papepepe ne ahyaase ye nyina ye oh Bogoso runabout na be just free screening, free health advice who page be a friend 0243 776 857 0243 776 857 Neji inch the mubia aka one Samsung Franco Trading Enterprise the be aka aka to say phone papa if you no so perform betimi abo beche ya ne bo so for mu a eye Franco aka chenkwa ne bi ewo say Nokia Samsung iPhone or smart TV so here ranging from 32 to even 100 inches your tabletop fridges are what the Franco air condition from 1.5 to 2.5 horsepower. There was CCTV cameras as well. Me so hane tabalekura betwe apia me hu nipa kro ya wo ye. We sifie wo shop to CCTV camera ebo nipa bonefo adoso. Franco so to ade wo app so automatic unya 40% discount. Firm 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 and 0555 939 311 0555 939 311 Franco Trading Enterprises still phone papa efie and what Dr. Frank I'm walking back with you. Dr. Okoe-Boye. Happy birthday me already 2028. Near Kosi.
Unse o hwe since 92.
Okay.
I did not quite say aban bia eba na onya 2 terms ansana more or less Ghana for voting out.
Okay.
2024 you try say anka ye break here no.
Okay.
Na enye easy. Ye nim say be din. Na ye try but anye yi. Enti aban we abey utimi say by 2028 now my just one term is that not it? Now because
in the natural sense.
Yes. Into we share history obia ba I say ye komano 2 terms.
Okay.
Enti ye pese ye nye jumadin na ye Ghana for enyi omunfi na ye mba. It means we have to do extra work. But what I say, okay. I'm looking at the history and what I want to happen.
Yeah.
Enti so bit now I say MPP coming to power 2028 at the former
but looking at the disappointment, among Ghana for be fair more to about over 1.7 million against what party?
Say me kasa na mekano. Uti me man kase easy say beba. Sure. Me dani kasa ni say obi rather kase ye ba no be emra. Enya ade. But me no me science me was science background. Yeah. Your training no your chair say you never say never. Enya kasa normally scientists can. Haso folk dey nana. Oh, normally no. Yeah, kasa. Enti obi so MPP ntimi mbada. Ebi so make chair say enya kasa ye kan. Okay. Unya nyami. And so nya possible. Yes. So the here say hweniama oya wo former ebetima increase your chances. Okay. Na oya saa de no ho adwuma ebia nyami de nhira kusua obetima ba. Amon kai say 2016 vote dudu a President Mahama did lose election. Ye kan wo Ghana nyina say ye hu bi da nsia menim say okaya. Yeah. In fact ye bi mu kra di edi 3 NDC say mo party na egu ewia no nanso kakra omo building ye. Omo hwe omo mistakes. Emma by 2024 no na ade na akwa ye say de obi hwe NDC ataye kra na ne vim e wo soro compared to other parties. Enti nsia de make kan say ejumadin emre ena adom na bekire ejumadin ya ye be emre ene adom
campaign e course do woni ye de ekire kakra.
Oh yes.
Civil.
Oh say enye obia na ne kasa no enye na even football ye boa oni say ye show bi mu card. Yeah. Obi otimi twa ne nua kakra. Ya man yellow. Na man yellow. Obi so say bi mu na man red. But enye obia otwa ena okita adwenboni ebi in the heat of the moment enti I prepare there say pe bibi no say in fact ukra bia wo be frame say doctor den na ekona omo nyina ye say asofo ye enti shi obi antwi ni nua enti nipa de nipa ho ye ahomti kakra okay enti me nyo obi a me kasa basabasa ana me kasa etiobi okay nanso sometimes na ba say pre lejokuku say onim say me year campaign mitimi ka che me nkofo no say MP na aye wo no say on time places and company ama okay on time kasa on kekano lejokuku MP no yes but onim say we kura me kan ebi mu ka say me yiye no enti politics say no adikura we bi obeka enye
Yeah.
When obi beti me fa ne say wa share Fantino kasa wa show bi aroba.
Okay.
And the point is that all the supporters of the candidates should try as much as on to me na kasa no hit no nye den emba from.
Yes. So yam say man for quick messages be ewa asemo. Among for saying can be online, but we them fan chame. Maybe that's why I say. We see Akwasi Dr. Bernard Okoe-Boye is not answering your questions. He's only using his medical background to smear. So I was find out from Dr. Okoe-Boye what happened to La Polyclinic. He should tell us. Iman Ofori.
Just the one day we can.
Cephas now. Please put call line on. He's telling lies. Concern agenda 111 at Sotium, 72%. My house is opposite the agenda 111. It's about 45%, not 72%. I can do video and send it to you now.
Send a video. I don't know why I said a video.
Okay, so say fast now. And so, Dr. Bernard Okoe-Boye is okay. Go and organize your party. Your party is going down. Go and organize your party. So, Adom. And so, please, let's call in. Want to question Dr. Okoe-Boye on how they handle. Okay, a lot of messages. But the doctor, you better start paying.
We that's it.
So
and I'm that's it. Pass one more one calling. I'm going to go. Nyina ye Ghana in Kosovo na ehwehwe. De ma beka wo ha nyina kro we amabɔ no menti ho. Ba se o chena bi me fa ho na bibia koso a enhia man nyina. Timi that's
Dr. Bernard Okoe-Boye, a former Minister of Health, now Secretary and Commander. Permanently, I could see in Syrian, the Fridays be able to say, yeah, at the Twasno, air Twamaso. And at the end, a super, or Messia, or Messi de Biadi. Shall we, a base here?